and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Walmart Ibotta haul, and so if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. And so today we did a bunch of freebies, and there's honestly so many freebies that you can hit that bonus really easily. And so this time I had a really good bonus. I had a $5 bonus when you bought 15 items, and I think there was like 10 freebies, something around there. And let me show you guys what I got. Alright, so let's start off with the deals, and some of these items were a couple of cents, but the other items made up for it because they were actually Moneymakers. But in the end, everything was completely free, and we had a really great bonus of $5 when we did 15 offers. And honestly, there were like 10 items, or like around 10, that made this bonus week really easy. And so first of all, you're gonna grab one of these. They are the 5-star 5-subject notebooks, and honestly these are great for school, but I love writing in these. They're good for writing like inspirational video ideas, recipes, or like your Ibotta shopping list, or anything that you want. This is going to be free, maybe because in my state things are a little more expensive, so maybe in your state they're cheaper, but since I live in California, everything is more expensive, maybe because it says it's completely free, but it's still a few cents. Everything's under $1, so it makes it a great deal. So you're gonna pick up this notebook. You can pick up any color, just make sure it's the 5-star 5 subjects. It's $4.97. You're going to get back $4.30 on Ibotta. And this is only 67 cents. And maybe where you live, it's cheaper, but that's the price here in California. And this is supposed to be completely free on Ibotta, so it might be completely free for you. Alright, so next up we got these pencils. I'm like excited to use these. I've like rarely ever used like pencils, but I guess if I have to fill in a Scantron or something, we have these Ticonderoga, Gorga, I don't know how you pronounce that, but these are like really popular pencils. They're like the world's number 2 pencil. It's like #1 pencil brand. And so these are priced at $2.47. You're gonna get back $2.39 on Ibotta, making these only 8 cents. And there's a ton of different ones, so you might get cheaper ones or you might get a little more expensive depending on which one you grab, but they make them really, really cheap. Alright, so the next item is this. So they're the pink pearl erasers. So this is honestly, I had such a hard time finding this. Perfect for school, but it's all like taped up and a little strange, as you can see. But this is the only one in my store, and so I'm glad I got that so I can get that Ibotta bonus. This was free as well on Ibotta. This is priced at $1.34. I feel like someone opened this in the store, or like they tried to return it or something, but it's like all taped up, but for like free, I'll take it. So this is priced at $1.34. You're gonna get back $1.39 back on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 5-cent moneymaker. Alright, so what else do you need for school? You need some peanut butter for those peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But even if you don't go to school, it's always great to have peanut butter. So I grabbed this can of Skippy's peanut butter. It's not a can, it's a jar. It's a jar of peanut butter. And this is priced at $2.34. You're going to get back $2.54 back on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 20-cent moneymaker. So go run and grab your free peanut butter, unless you're allergic to peanuts. So go and grab it to make some PB&Js or anything else. Alright, So next item, so to make those PB&Js, we're gonna grab one of these. They are the Nature's Own bread. You can grab any flavor that you want. I grabbed this honey wheat one, and so this is priced at $2.93. You're gonna get back $2.84 back on Ibotta, making this only 9 cents. So go and grab your bread so you can get some delicious sandwiches, toast, or anything you'd like. Alright, so Ibotta is completely hooking us up this week because you can pick up this squeezable Smucker's Squeeze jam. So this is like perfect to add any flavor to your favorite snack for that sandwich. Easy to go, fast squeeze. So this is priced at $2.54. You're gonna get back $2.54, making it completely free. And I don't know why the grape one was cheaper, which makes it a moneymaker, but I'm not that much of a fan of grape jam, so I grabbed the strawberry one. But maybe in your store it's the same as mine, so if you like that grape jam, it actually makes it a moneymaker. But for now, I grabbed the strawberry one. Okay, so the next item is this. So that nice little snack to go with your sandwich. And so some nice peaches or fruit. So I got the Del Monte peaches. So these are just peaches in syrup, and so these are completely free. They're priced at $2.18. You're gonna get back $2.50 on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 32-cent moneymaker. Alright, so next up we have these. So these are honestly, I'm really excited to try these because hopefully they're really good. But these are the Lala yogurt smoothies. I got the strawberry banana flavor, and I think it has cereal in it. And so these are really great for breakfast, and they come in a pack of 4. These are completely free as well on Ibotta. So, okay, well, they're only a penny. 1 penny, so almost free. But these are $3.23, and you're going to get back $3.22 on Ibotta. So go and grab your Lala smoothie yogurts for breakfast. Alright, so I picked up all of those for the back to school Ibotta. If you're looking on how to do that, you can just go on your computer and go on Ibotta and sign in, and it will load those deals into your account. And I also had Kleenex, but I can't find them in my store. So hopefully maybe I can find them later because they're still in my account, and I'm not sure how long these deals are going to last for the back to school. So hopefully I have enough time to go pick up the Kleenex. But this is the next deal, and this is honestly such a great deal if you like to drink almond milk. It's great for smoothies, great for cereal, great for anything, honestly. And so you're going to pick up one of these. They're the Almond Breeze. This is just milk. You can get any flavor. I got the unsweetened original one. There's like vanilla and... Okay, so this is priced at $1.99 on Walmart. You're going to get back 50 cents on Ibotta. And then you're going to get back 50 cents on coupons.com when you submit the receipt. And that's coupons.com app. So when you submit the receipt to that app, you'll get back 50 cents, making this only 99 cents for this, I think 32 ounces, half a gallon of dairy-free almond milk. Okay, so this is the next deal. This is the Nescafe Taster's Choice. Alright, so this is the next deal. This is the Nescafe Taster's Choice. I don't really drink coffee, but it was such a great deal. It's completely free. So you're going to pick up one of these small boxes. These are priced at $1. You're going to get back $1 back on Ibotta, making these completely free. So pick these up. There's 6 in here, and you can do this deal 5 times. But be sure to pick this up online, like order online for pickup in store, and it makes it completely free. For some reason, they do not work for when you buy them in store, and they might just check your Ibotta, but mine were only available for pickup online. Well, like order online, pickup in store. So make sure you do that. And this is honestly such a great deal. It's completely free. Thanks for watching my channel. If you liked it, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. And see you next time. Bye.